Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious cherry ice cream ever. And I'm not just saying that because I made it. This is honestly the most delicious cherry ice cream that I have ever tasted. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a big thumbs up and click down below and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new videos. So to make this delicious maraschino cherry ice cream, I have 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of maraschino cherry juice, 1 cup of sliced maraschino cherries, half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. If you don't have sweetened condensed milk, I have an easy recipe that will be linked right here. And I'm using some cherry flavored yogurt just to enhance the cherry flavor. This is a 5.3 ounce container, which is equivalent to almost a half cup. So to start off, I'm going to add my heavy cream. And my maraschino cherry juice. Whisk this together. Then I'm going to add the sweetened condensed milk. And the yogurt. And once this is all mixed, you can already see the beautiful bright pink color that this is going to have. I'm going to let this chill in the freezer for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to pop this into my ice cream maker. The cherry ice cream base has been chilling in the fridge. I'm going to pour that in here. Add the lid. And I'm going to let this churn for about 25 minutes or so. After it has thickened up, I'm going to add in the sliced maraschino cherries, and then I'm going to let that continue churning for a few extra minutes. So here I have the ice cream, and I'm going to transfer it into here. Look at that. You can see the beautiful cherry pieces. You can definitely do this with fresh cherries, but my son loves maraschino cherries. This is his favorite ice cream, so that's what I made it with. You know, kids love that artificial cherry flavor. It's really good though, I'm not gonna lie, it's delicious. That's all I have to say. Give this recipe a try, for sure. I even added chocolate pieces into mine, and makes it even more amazing.